Got a 1946 Hudson pickup truck radio. Right now we're still working on the bezel, trying to get it straightened out because it is clear and had chrome in the background. But we're done with the radio. We want to fire it up and see how it go. It's got AM/FM stereo in it now and USB port, charge your phone, play your favorite MP3 files, auxiliary in. That's what's cool about this 1946. It does have that. If you want to reset the channels, you just pull that out and turn it, and then let go of that. It's got presets in it.
That he was finally happy. So he's got this act.
You want to go to AM radio, you just turn it off and right back on. You're on AM stations. You have presets on it you can do.
Will so-called homosexual marriage be heading back to the Supreme Court?
One thing, next week's ruling by the sixth
Jeopardy Tournament of Champions. It's going to take brains to win this battle. 15.
Now we'll go to USB.
To head for a shot at $250,000.
Plug it in there to play your music. Treble, bass. You want to change that song there, you pull out on this and just turn the dial once. Pull it out, crank it once. You can go back and repeat. Comes with all this cable here. USB, you can mount it anywhere, wherever the customer would like it. Comes with a stick with music on it. $180 watts, 4-channel, run one speaker up to 4.
It's a big job getting by with 9 kids and a wife. Yeah, but I've been a working man damn near all my life. Keep on working as long as my 2 hands are fit to use. I drink my beer at a tavern and sing a little bit of this working man blues. I keep my nose on the grindstone, work hard every day. Get tired of
Want to pause that stick?
I go back working. Come in the morning, I'm right back to the crew. I drink a little bit that evening, sing a little bit of this working man.
Hadn't got that far yet. Go back to Wake Radio.
WTNRC.com. 24-hour
AM. That's auxiliary in. Plug in here. Put anything into it you want. There's a little light right here to turn a little LED that's red, showing that you're on auxiliary. And back on AM. FM stereo.
Your life and your music are here on Mix 92.9 WJXA Nashville. Like many families, Ben and Holly were at a crossroads with an aging
Pause it. Went into pause. Pause that stick. As long as it don't touch anything, it's going to go right back to stereo. Now it's back on FM stereo.
With an amazing introductory rate for 12 months.
If you want to bring it, stick up and play, you don't have to pull it out. Just
they've got a sweet master suite for Macs.
hard me to do it when I ain't got a knob on it.
Talk about peace of mind.
Brought it back up.
All around the world, there are people like you and me. From the poorest beggar in the streets to the richest king and queen. Some people pay and they forget.
Pause it. Let's go back to stereo. FM.
November
There we
15th
go.
at the Embassy Suites in Franklin.
Owners, at ARS Rescue Route, we want to keep you comfortable, safe, and safe. Columbus.
So you have 5 presets.
Charity while protecting nothing. That's right, only $59. Don't wait until cold weather hits. Schedule your system check now and save. Call ARS Rescue Router today or visit us online at ARS of Nashville.
Thank you.